Hello again, friends. Jay Sennett here for another edition of Cooking with Jay in my Jazzy J kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well, and as always, thank you very much for watching my segments. Today I'm going to cook for you, I call it a black pepper tuna medallion with a balsamic glaze. So black pepper tuna, little medallions, right? Hold this up. See that? Right, little medallion. A lot of good black pepper on here, fresh ground black pepper on these medallions with a pinch of salt on each one. So the black pepper tuna with a balsamic glaze. And then as side dishes, I'm going to make some broccolini and then some buttered Parmesan red skin potatoes, just as side dishes for the tuna. So that's what's on the menu tonight. I'm ready to get cooking. You ready too? All right, let's get to the stove. Okay, in this saucepan here, I have some fiery toasted sesame oil. That's what I'm going to cook these tuna medallions in, right there. And here I have some butter for my potatoes and my broccolini over here, which is, it's done already. I started that. And this pot will be to make my balsamic glaze. So I'm going to get these tuna medallions in here. They only cook for 2 or 3 minutes each side. And it's already smelling good with that toasted sesame oil. Now, while my medallions are cooking, I want to make this balsamic glaze. Okay? So turn that up. I have about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Okay, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, about 3 or 4 teaspoons of dark brown sugar. Okay, 3 or 4 teaspoons of dark brown sugar, and about a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and about a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Okay. Get these out of the way. Get my potatoes over here. All right, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, to act as a thickener, of course. Da-da-bum. Okay. Now I want to a little whisk and bring this to a boil. Okay, stir it well constantly, and it'll thicken a bit. Bring it to a boil. All right. Potatoes are cooking well. Turn my medallions over. Yeah. And again, how well you like these. You get it 2 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, 3 minutes you're going to have it medium rare. Okay? Get it up to 3 minutes, it's going to be a little bit well done. Turn this on. My potatoes. Oh, the one that got away. Get this glaze to a boil. Stir it pretty constantly. Okay? So, healthy dose of fresh ground black pepper on these tuna medallions. Pinch of salt on each one, both sides, and I'm cooking it in some fiery toasted sesame oil. So there's some heat in this oil, okay? Or you can use regular sesame oil, but I like that heat. All right, this glaze is starting to get hot and thickening a little bit because of the cornstarch. And my tuna medallions are pretty much done. So I'm going to turn the fire down for these. Alright, this is boiling. Bring that down. This is my balsamic glaze for my tuna medallions. Alright, I'm going to add some salt to these potatoes. Black pepper. And last but not least, Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Now, remove my medallions. All right, set these over here. Get my plate. All right. Turn this off. Okay. We are rolling now. Broccolini. Potatoes. Oh yeah. My buttered Parmesan red skin potatoes. And last but not least, get some of this glaze, this balsamic glaze over my tuna. Yeah. And there you have my dinner tonight. This black pepper tuna medallions with a balsamic glaze with broccolini and my buttered Parmesan red skin potatoes. Now we'll set this down over here. Okay. See, that was quick and easy, right? So very quickly again, get some tuna medallions. If they're thick, you just slice them in half, okay? Rinse, pat dry well. Healthy dose of freshly ground black pepper on them, both sides, and salt and pepper, both sides. And I cook them in some fiery toasted sesame oil. Okay, so it puts a little bit more heat on these medallions. A couple of minutes each side if you like them medium rare. 3 minutes if you like them a little bit more done. The glaze, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, about 4 teaspoons of dark brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Okay, stir it around with a whisk. It'll start to thicken until it boils, then turn it off. And the potatoes, I get some small red potatoes, cut them up in 4 pieces, 4 little chunks. Then you can boil beforehand, the potatoes beforehand, to get them soft, or put them in a microwave. Then I get a saucepan with some butter, and I cook these potato pieces in the butter, and then add a little salt and pepper, and then some Parmesan, freshly grated Parmesan cheese on top of that, and then mix it around a little bit. And then you have yourself a really tasty, nice little dinner here. And that's going to be my dinner tonight. My black pepper tuna medallions with balsamic vinegar, buttered Parmesan potatoes, and broccolini. I'm Jay Sennett. This is Cooking with Jay. And again, thank you for watching. Cooking with Jay is aired on our WHO Public Media Facebook page Sunday evenings at 6. Okay, so if you have a computer, you can always see the show every Sunday night at 6 at the WHO Public Media page. You can see me cooking one of my dishes here in Jazzy Jay's kitchen. Also, don't forget about my jazz show, Send It in Session, Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5. And I also host the R&B Chronicles on Friday nights on WHRV-FM 89.5, streaming at WHRV.org. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go eat, and we'll see you again soon with some more recipes from Jazzy Jay's Kitchen. Be safe, friends. Take care. Peace.